What if the same place where you design your t-shirts, when you hit print, not only do you get something like this, you get something like this. Design and print your t-shirts all at the same time, and I'm gonna show you right now.
All right, guys, so by now you should know about Kittle. You should know you can use it to make amazing designs. You can use the AI that's built into it to make magic happen. It has probably the best font collection on the internet. And in my opinion, they have the best ready-made t-shirt templates on the planet. You just go in, doctor them up a little bit, and make something special. But what if I told you they just kicked it up a notch? So not only can you go in and design your t-shirt, but just the same place where you can export it, you can actually get it printed and shipped right to the crib. Oh, sorry. That means sent to your home. Let me show you. Okay, so this is Kittle, and you can go down here. You can see all these templates, right? You can go down and, let's go back up and let's get specific. Let's go to t-shirts and let's go down and let's see, boom, this one. All right, so we're going to do this one just right for Halloween. We have the crow, but first we're going to go to school. If you do a Google search for names of animals, right, you're going to find something. We're going to click and check this out. A troop of apes, a colony of bats, a suit of bloodhounds, a sounder of boars, an implausibility of gnus, a thunder of hippopotamuses, a conspiracy of lemurs, an embarrassment of pandas, and look at this, a murder of crows. So this t-shirt is going to be called A Murder of Crows. Let's make it. Look, you learned something new today. So we're going to go in and change this font to Murder of Crows, and we're going to change this from Creative Apparel to T-Shirt Help Desk Apparel and Co. Right? We're going to get it just how we want it, right? Then we're going to go up right here to Export, and we're not going to export. We're going to go to Print Your Design, right? But we're going to go back because we're going to get rid of that white outline because we're going to print this on black. So the great thing is that Kittle has a built-in background remover, so you can go in and get rid of that black. Right now we're going to go in and we're going to choose our black t-shirt, right? A black Bella canvas. And look at that. We make sure that it looks really good. We're going to go over here and we're going to choose our size, and then we put in all of our information and credit, and bang, thanks for your order. So you put in all your information, and before you can know it, I wonder who that could be. Get your package in the mail, slice it open, bring it out, and we're gonna spread this bad boy out and look at, guys, this looks amazing, okay? And it feels really good. I'm really happy with it. Guys, you can see all the details in there. It is a really nice print. So you have your t-shirt, but let's just say, you know what, you want to spruce this up a little bit. I have these t-shirt shaped hang tags. I'm going to put a 1-inch sticker with the logo on it, and we have a black one too. We're going to put a little sticker on it. And on this one, we're going to put our barcodes, man. Barcodes are the business, right? We're going to put this on with a tagging gun. But look at this. This is the newfangled way. This is the string. We snap that, and then we get our little safety pin that comes with it, and we're going to put that right there. Look at how awesome that looks, right? Then we're going to do this. We're going to take out the tag. We're going to take our mini press and our DTF tag, put that right on the back, and just bang, iron that bad boy in. These things are amazing. Look at that. Then we're going to take a basic compostable mailer, fold that bad boy up, right? Take it, put it in, and we're not done, right? Usually people would just take it and close it and put the mail. No. We're not going to do that. I have stickers, right? I suggest you get some too. And look at that, right? Put stickers on the back and the front. Now you put on your mailer. This is how you mail a package. Make sure you get on the list for my Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying course. It's gonna blow your mind. So this service is being released like any day now. You can click right here and check them out. It's gonna be down in the description box and pinned into the comments. Now guys, you can check out my full Kittle tutorial right here. And until next time, I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless.
T-shirt Help Desk.